Abundant as they are, phones are one of our most valuable belongings, so we have to be careful where we leave them, making sure we don't lose them. However, regardless of how vigilant you are, sometimes you can still misplace them. So in this video, I'll show you how to use Google search to find your phone for free without having previously installed any phone finding app on your device. In order to find your phone, you'll need a device that has access to the internet and a browser, so a laptop, tablet and even another phone will do. Of course, another thing to bear in mind is that the phone you're looking for must also be connected to the internet. And although obvious, it's also worth mentioning that the phone has to be powered on for this statement to be true. Go to google.com, make sure you go to the top right hand side and sign in with the same Google account you used to sign in to your phone, the phone that you're looking for. Now inside the search bar, type in find my phone and press enter. After it has located your device, you'll get a notification on the phone you're looking for. You should be able to see an option to ring the device. This works even if it's on silent. You also have the ability to recover the device, more details on both in a bit. You can expand the search for more features. If you click on play sound, your phone will ring for 5 minutes. Tapping on the screen on the phone turns the ring off. Another option is to secure the device. Simply type in a message and a contact telephone number, then press secure device and then instantly your phone will lock, displaying the information you typed in. If you do get the device back, only you'll be able to unlock it. The final option, or final resort, if you're unable to get the device back, is to remotely erase the data. This permanently removes all your personal data. It also triggers device protection, rendering the phone useless to anyone but you. This has been Raju Rahman from Tectonic. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and it helped you, please subscribe and like. That would really help me out. And don't forget to check out these other videos too.